Hey guys, it's ABC for Kids Enthusiast of VHS's here, and today I won't be showing you VHS's for this video. What will I be showing you is this Inside Out 2 Shaking with Anxiety toy. Yeah, which came out last year in 2024. So, here's the front, the side with joy, anger, and sadness. And here's the back. And yes, it is made by Just Play in 2024. And there's the instructions by Just Play in Australia. It says, I talk and shake and posable arms. And there's anxiety there. And here's the other side with disgust, fear, and anger again. I wish they replaced anger with envy, and on the back cover, put ennui and embarrassment on there, and yeah. So yeah, and here's the bottom. Okay, now let's take the toy out though. And here's the toy itself. And the background is the core memories of headquarters, and this twist hair thing that was on Anxiety's hair. I unboxed all this, and because I bought this from Target last month. So yeah, so here's Anxiety itself. Here's the front, the side, and the back, and here's the other side, and there's the instructions on what does the toy do. So yeah, what you basically do to Anxiety is this. She says this. Ready? She says this.
Hello, everybody. I'm Anxiety. I'm one of Riley's new emotions.
And there are more phrases that goes like this.
Oh, this is exciting. Oh no. Are they talking about us? Come on, let's just give it a try. I'm Anxiety. Oh, phew.
She says several phrases.
Oh, this is exciting. Come on, let's just give it a try. Oh, are they talking about us?
Yeah. This is a great toy, by the way.
Hello, everybody. Oh no. Hello, everybody. Oh no. I'm Anxiety. Come on, let's just give it a try. Oh, this is exciting. Come on, let's just give it a try.
Yeah, this is a great toy.
Oh no. Are they talking about us?
Oh, and here's the bottom, where you barely can't see though, but it does say Just Play. And yeah. And wait for it. Yeah. And anyways, I better go now and peace out.